Hello everyone. I've successfully been running my own Google Ads campaigns for many years, and I now run Google Ads campaigns for companies in the UK and America. This year I'm giving away all of my best Google Ads tips and tricks so that you too can be successful using Google Ads. Here comes video number 11 in 2020 and another important tip, so please keep watching. So my next tip is limit the amount of text on your landing pages. I would say that you want a maximum of 300 words on each of your landing pages. Only have just enough text to encourage the visitor to contact you using a clear call to action. If you have too much text on your pages, you increase the chance of them getting bored and going somewhere else. Remember, the point of having a website at all should be to make a sale. It really shouldn't be somewhere for people to come just for information. You could give them that when they contact you. That's it for this video, and as always, I hope you found it helpful. Remember, if you'd like help with any of your Google Ads campaigns, why not give me a call? Come on, let's have a coffee.